Dressing like a rock star is a fun and expressive way to showcase your personal style. You don't have to go over the top or look outlandish to achieve it. Rockstar fashion offers a diverse range of styles, and this guide will help you understand how to put together a rock-inspired wardrobe. The foundation of Rockstar style is black leather. Leather pieces are the backbone of this style, with a leather jacket serving as the ultimate starting point. A vintage, well-worn leather jacket with its character-defining scratches and creases can give your outfit an authentic edge. If you find a genuine vintage leather jacket, go for it. Alternatively, some brands offer pre-distressed leather jackets that work well for this look. Continuing with leather, a pair of high-heeled boots is essential. Both Chelsea boots and lace-up ankle boots are excellent choices to channel that Rockstar vibe. You can pair these with black or dark gray jeans. The good news is that you don't need to splurge on expensive jeans, as Rockstar style embraces wear and tear. Zara and H&M, for example, offer affordable options that fit the bill. T-shirts are another crucial element of Rockstar style. Plain white or black T-shirts are a must-have for any wardrobe, including rock fashion. You can add a bit of dynamism by rolling up the sleeves or tucking the shirt into your jeans. Throwing a vintage plaid shirt on top can add an extra layer to your look, but make sure it's in muted colors. In general, avoid bright, flashy colors. Rockstar style typically leans toward darker, more subdued tones. Accessories are key to completing the Rockstar aesthetic. There's a lot of flexibility with accessories, but some essentials include black lacquer belts, silver bracelets, and chains. Don't forget about dark sunglasses and rings, which can add a Rockstar flair. If you have tattoos, they can complement this style, but don't get inked just for the sake of the look. Finally, consider your hair. Messy, tousled styles or slicked back looks are common in rock fashion. You can use gels, creams, or pomades to give your hair volume and shine. Rockstar style doesn't have strict rules. It's about creating your own look and having the confidence to wear it. Use this guide to build your rock-inspired wardrobe, and most importantly, make sure you feel comfortable and authentic in what you wear. Get creative, experiment, and enjoy embracing your inner rock star.